Someone made $700,000 with one digital product from a popular marketplace. You must be thinking it's Amazon, but actually it's not. But it's a $1 billion company that makes $1 billion in revenue per year and has got 478 million monthly visits. And I'm giving you the same product in the link in the description for you. Go grab it 100% free. Wait, don't go now. You can get it later. First, let me explain you the step-by-step process. It's completely beginner friendly and anyone can do it. But one limitation may stop you from making money, and I promise I will remove that limitation as well. $700,000 is the amount of money many Meta employees earn in 10 years. By the way, Meta is the parent company of Facebook. Speaking of Meta, they are laying off 11,000 employees. Here's an article from CNBC. Mark Zuckerberg was about to cry in this video. So what's going on with the people who are losing their job? The reason I'm telling you this story is that 98% CEOs are preparing for a recession in 12 to 18 months. So this kind of layoff can happen to anyone in any company right now. So why is Meta in loss and who is responsible for this? There is no answer to this question, but some possible explanations include because it's struggling to compete with other social media platforms such as TikTok, which is a Chinese platform. Meta is in loss because its advertising revenues are dropping after Google's iOS update. Meta is losing money because it has been investing too heavily in its virtual reality section, which is Metaverse. We will go deep into this section in another video. But this one's crazy. Facebook is deliberately tanking the value of Meta shares to gain an advantage in the social media market. Now, losing a job is always tough. At a company that you poured your heart and soul into, it's even harder. Jim had been working at Meta for years and he loved his job. But now, with the company announcing layoffs, he was one of the unlucky ones who would be losing their job. He had been through tough times before, but this was by far the hardest thing Jim had ever gone through. Losing his job means losing his health insurance, 401k, everything. He didn't know how he was going to make it through. And to make matters worse, he had a family to support. His wife had just been laid off from her job and they were already struggling to make ends meet. This was the final straw. Jim felt like he had left everyone down. He had always been the one who could support his family, but now he was the one who needed help. He didn't know how he was going to get through this, but he knew that he had to try. Jim has many skills, writing skills, team building skills, and good communication skills, and it's possible for him to do affiliate marketing using video without showing his face. Jim will get 16 weeks or 4 months of salary from Meta. Jim has two options now: use his skills and take revenge and start his own business and be self-employed. And number two, move on and join another 9-to-5 job. There are two problems with getting another job. Getting a new job is not easy now. When a new employer realizes that you were fired and you need the job desperately, they will negotiate hard. So getting a good paying job is not easy. Looking for a new job after losing your old one can be tough. It can be especially hard if you are not what you want to do or if you don't have the right skill. And if you don't have a lot of experience, it can be even harder to find a job that's a good fit for you. Jim can start affiliate marketing with videos. He has to research on affiliate programs that allow beginner affiliates, because most companies don't. Then identify products to promote. Create a video or series of videos promoting the product. Upload the videos on YouTube, TikTok, and other video sharing platforms. Track the performance of the videos and adjust as needed. Because while money looks good, more views on videos makes more money. And again, more content quality increases the conversion and makes more money. But Jim decided to skip all the hard work and use the 3-step system so he can take revenge by using YouTube, TikTok, and Etsy. So why YouTube, TikTok, and Etsy? Wait, if you are outside US, you can use Etsy because Etsy is only for US citizens. You need your own store. For that, you can use Grant. Link is in the description, is free to start. Grants is a complete Shopify replacement. You won't have to pay monthly recurring fees separately for each feature to make profit from your store. All the money-making features and benefit and technologies are already built in with Grant. And again, it's free to start. Link is in the description, go grab it. Overall, Jim didn't like to go with Etsy because of all those limitations. So he grabbed Grants, just like you can get it too from the link in the description. By the way, at this point, you must be asking why on earth I was talking about Etsy, because the product that made $700,000 is a resume template that's being sold on Etsy at $8.37 price point. And a better resume template is what I'm giving away to you as a free gift. Link is in the description. Go grab it and start selling. So Jim started selling his own resume template using grant. The next thing, he needs customers that he could get from Etsy built in, but he chose TikTok. If you go to TikTok and search with employment advice, you will find amazing number of views: 195,000, 2.4 million, 60,000 views, 205,000 views, 77,000 views, and I can go on and on. Employment advice is a topic on TikTok. Millions of views on the video. At the beginning, Jim was reluctant to use camera, so he started using epic.ai. You can get your free to start access to epic.ai. Link is in the description. Go grab it. Epic makes videos from images, completely replaces cameras and microphones. Epic writes video script using artificial intelligence, and Epic turns those scripts into natural sounding voiceover, so you don't need to use your own voice. But if you want, you can do it. Epic makes bite-sized videos. Save those work, and later you can come back and in just one click you can compile all those videos into a long video. Epic is free to start, just like Jim. Grab your access from the link in the description. Well, that was third step. Jim had never been good with Word, but from Meta he learned that AI softwares can write script. So he started to use Epic's built-in AI to write script for him. He also researched different programs and found a few products that he thought would be a good fit as an affiliate marketer as well, for affiliate promotion as well. But creating a video that promoted those products was harder than he thought it would be. The first few videos he made were terrible. Nobody wanted to watch them and nobody bought anything from his link. He was starting to think that maybe this wasn't the right thing for him. Maybe he should just give up and find another job. And then he remembered something else. His friends had said there's no such thing as overnight success. Affiliate marketing didn't happen overnight. It took time and effort to create successful videos that people would want to watch and buy from. So Jim decided to give it one more try. This time, instead of trying to do everything on his own, he reached out for help. He found a few other affiliate marketers who were successful and asked them how they did it. He learned from them and applied what they taught him to his own video, and slowly but surely things started to change. His videos started getting more views and people started buying from his link. It wasn't easy, but Jim was finally starting to see some success with affiliate marketing using videos. And now, thanks to TikTok, even more people are able to see his videos and learn from him now. They can do the same thing and start making money from home. Jim's hard work paid off. His videos were successful and he was able to make good income from affiliate marketing. He was even featured in several online magazines and websites. Thanks to his success on TikTok, Jim was able to support his family and live comfortable. Oh, by the way, I was talking about YouTube. Why YouTube? Because the same videos you make for TikTok can be used on YouTube as YouTube Shorts as well. Get this resume template from the link in the description. I give you a better one. Use Etsy or Grants. Grants is also free to start. Link is in the description. Make simple TikTok videos about employment advice and put your link in the bio. Remember to ask your viewers to click the link in the bio and buy from you. They will buy and you will make. Did you like this video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, the fun way. Only 3 steps, just like Jim. By the way, in case you are wondering, the whole Jim story was a fictional story made using an artificial intelligence software. This is also free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab your access. I hope this video was helpful, step by step, easy, user friendly. All our applications are free to start. Links are in the description. Especially Epic is life changing. We run 20+ channels using Epic without using camera and microphone. 2.7 million media files to use for your videos. Epic writes scripts for us using artificial intelligence and turns scripts into natural sounding voiceover. Epic gets you traffic, do the marketing for you, and makes you money. Hit the like button if you like this video. Share with your friends and family so they also learn how to make money online. Easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. And if you want to learn how this lady earns $2 million per month for her company using an underrated platform, then watch this video. If you want to learn about 800,000 customers waiting to buy from your link, then watch this video here. And if you want to learn about 3 AI softwares that can help you earn $70,000, then watch this video here. And if you want to learn how this website earns $53,000 from a $100 million company, then watch this video here. And we'll see you in the next video.